Hello, myself Meghna Sharma will be teaching you online Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable. What is an equation? A statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more variables. For example, x plus 2 is equals to 3. In this, equality sign will be in between. There is a combination of algebraic expression. How algebraic expressions form? With the help of constants and variable. We are involving our four fundamental operations. Using our four fundamental operations, we will be make an equation. The most three important components of an equation are LHS, equality sign, and RHS. You have seen the first example here, x plus 2 is equals to 3. Now, x plus 2 is the LHS, left hand side. There is an equality sign in between, and 3 is on the right hand side. So that's why that is RHS. The chapter name is Linear Equation in One Variable. What it means? The expressions which forms the equation. There is a one expression which forms an equation that contains single variable. That's why we said linear equation in one variable. The expressions which forms the equation that contains single variable and the highest power of the variable in the equation is 1. So linear equation in one variable, we will use only one variable in this expression for forming an equation. Solution root of a linear equation, a value of the variable which makes the equation a true statement. While solving the equation, whatever the value comes for the variable, that is the solution of a linear equation. Rules for solving a linear equation. We are using our four fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let us read the first rule, addition. Add the same number on both sides of the equation. Suppose the equation is x minus 2 is equals to 3. So we can say, or we can see, what is the variable in this? X is the variable. So with the variable we are see here it is minus 2. So what is the opposite of subtraction? That is plus. So we will add 2 with the both side because minus 2 is with the variable. So x minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 3 plus 2. We are adding plus 2 both sides. So minus 2 plus 2, that will cancel on the left hand side, and what is left in the left hand side, that is x is equals to 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Next rule is subtraction. Subtract the same number from both sides of the equation. You can see the expression x plus 4 is equals to 7. This is an equation. So what is the opposite of addition? That is subtraction. So what is the with the variable, what is written? Plus 4. So we are subtracting minus 4 from both the sides. X plus 4 minus 4 is equals to 7 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4, it is cancelled. So what is the value of x? 7 minus 4. Plus minus minus, that's why it comes 3. The digit of the greater sign, the sign of the greater digit, is it positive? So that's why we return it x is equals to 3. Multiplication. When the question is in divide, suppose there it is written here x upon 5 is equals to minus 5. So what is the opposite of division? That is multiplying. So we are multiplying both sides of the equation by the same non-zero number, that is the 5. So x upon 5 multiplied by 5 is equals to minus 5 multiplied by 5. 5 with 5, it is cancelled. So the answer is x is equals to minus 25. 5. In division, divide the both sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. 2x is equals to 9. With the variable what we are, it is multiplying with the 2. So when it is multiplying, we will divide it 2 by both sides. 2x divided by 2 is equals to 9 upon 2. 2 is cancelled with 2 on the left hand side. So the what is left on the left hand side, that is x, that is equals to 9 upon 2. The next is transposition. The another way we have to solve the equation. Any term of an equation may be taken to the other side with the change in its sign. Now let us see. 4x plus 3 is equals to 3x plus 4. In this you can see we have LHS. What is the LHS here? 4x plus 3. RHS 3x plus 2. On both sides we are having an variable expression. So what we will do, we can write constants on one hand and variables one on the other hand. So I will write 4x and 3x on the left hand side and constant terms on the right hand side. So 4x is in the left hand side, we will write it like this. Now 3x will change its sides. It is on right hand side. Now I will change it to left hand side. The sign will also change. Now it comes to minus 3x. Now 2 is in the right hand side. I will write 2 plus 2. Now 3 will change its sides. So it will change its sign. Plus will become minus. So 4x minus 3x is equals to plus minus will become minus x. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we will write x individually. 2 minus 3 plus minus will become minus 1, and what is the sign of the greater digit? That is minus. That's why the value of x is equals to minus 1. This is the method we can solve our equation. That method is called transposition. The next is cross multiplying. If ax plus b upon cx plus d is equals to m upon m, then n is multiplied with ax plus b is equals to m is multiplied by cx plus d. For example, I am giving you one example also. 2x plus 3 upon 3x plus 4 is equals to 4 upon 5. So 5 is multiplied by 2x plus 3 is equals to 4 is multiplied by 3x plus 4. Now when we solve it, 5 is multiplied with the whole bracket. It means first 5 is multiplied by 2x and then 5 is multiplied by 3 and equals to 4 is multiplied with the whole bracket. First 4 is multiplied by the 3x, then 4 is multiplied with the 4. Then we will get the equation and then we will find the value of the variable. That variable is called x. I hope you all will understand the basic concept of linear equation in one variable. Thank you everyone.